I had to go around.
Oh, where you landing? In Boston?
Yeah, I don't know where
At
though.
Morgan? Green?
No, I took off from there.
On a field? A farm?
No. Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Zachary 110. Sorry, I had a brief conversation with my uncle, but I have a new aircraft. It's my Turkish Airlines, Airbus a340, whatever. I forget the numbers. But yeah, we are at a bit of a downward angle because I just found this runway now, so we're going at around a 10-degree down angle. So we're lining up on short final. We're going at around 170 knots. Once again, I have no clue what runway we're landing at, as I said. Throttle is just about idle. That's our percentage for all 4 engines. This is a freeware aircraft that I got off of Simviation. I'm trying them out now, and yeah.
That's amazing. You're doing good, Zach. I'm proud of you.
Aw. Crap, we're off course as usual on my landing vids. Right. Throttle idle. Starting to flare up. Alright, we're turning.
Zach, why are you playing on your computer?
I'm filming! Alright, we have touchdown. Braking.
I was telling Steve the day I let the dogs out and Zach was in the middle of the year.
Yeah, he sort of panicked.
Alright, I don't think we're gonna need reverse throttle because this thing's braking is, as usual, like any other aircraft, unrealistic. So this is the. Let me just pause it. Let's change our.
Let me see, my goodness. The whole family is here?
Alright, whoa, what the heck? Alright, here we go. This is the Turkish Airlines Airbus A330. Very nice freeware aircraft. I just got it tonight at like not even an hour ago. So yeah. I have no clue how I'm gonna.
The first time Lily came to visit me in New Hampshire.
So bye guys, peace, and subscribe. Just get a better look at this thing. Nice detail, Turkish Airlines, there's the symbol. But bye, peace, and subscribe.
Then we went to some friends.